Hello and welcome to our Rapid Test instructional video series. This video section is designed to step you through programming a Rapid Test master module and a channel module. Let's add a new switchboard and programming of the Rapid Test modules. I'm going to click on Add Switchboard and populate the fields as required. As you can see, all the fields are populated. This board is related to a site area and related to a building. I'm going to click Save and Next. This opens a pop-up to enter the master module ID. The module ID is found on the front of the Rapid Test module or on the Rapid Test switchboard sticker. The module type is set by default. You can see the master module ID is now associated to the switchboard. By selecting the switchboard card, it opens the details of the switchboard and the master module. Let's add a channel module. Enter the barcode found on the channel module. We now have the master module with no channels programmed and a channel module with no channels programmed. Select the master module card, which will take you to the channel programming. This is the programming screen for the master and channel module. The grey rows indicate each channel has not been programmed. You can click on the channel to expand for more details. Other things to note within this screen: the number of channels in total. In this case, we have a master with 8 channels and a channel module with 24 channels, total of 32 channels, of which none are configured. To configure a channel, select the red Edit button on the right. This is the channel configuration screen. It shows each channel's configuration. There is a lot of information to capture within the fields on this screen: single, 2, or 3-phase, the number of poles, the circuit ID. Populating the circuit ID field sets that the channel has been configured. Circuit description. Circuit usage, RCD barcode or RCD asset ID. For each RCD, a milliamp rating predefined from 10 to 500. The current rating, RCD brand and the RCD model number. Channel RCD test type configuration. Rated milliamp leakage at 0 or 180 degrees. Half rated milliamp at 0 or 180 degrees. 5 times rated milliamp, this is only available for 10 and 30 milliamp at 0 or 180 degrees. A push button test. This allows the recording of push button test results. If the milliamp rating is set to 10, there is an additional test type of random. As we scroll down, there are additional fields. The pop-up is designed to pop up prior to testing to alert the tester to get authority to trip the RCD. The channel comment is just a general comment with regards to that RCD or circuit. A great feature is the show copy, which I'll go through shortly. The fields at the top are showing you if you are configuring a master or a channel module. What number channel you are configuring. The sequence number you have set for that channel. This is a powerful feature. If the physical wiring of the channels to the RCDs is not in the sequence you would like to test and trip the RCDs, you can set your preferred test sequence via this field. When programming the channels, it's highly recommended that you have all the details necessary. The more information you put in, the better it is for reporting. As the saying goes, rubbish in, rubbish out. Let's program the first 5 channels of the master. I've populated channel 1 with the required information. At this point, you can save and close or save and next. This will allow you to configure individually. To configure multiple channels, click on the Show Copy. This will copy the selected fields to the number of channels set. I don't want the description because they're all going to be different. I want to add the RCD barcode. It will automatically increment the number. It's going to copy the milliamps, the current, the brand, and model, along with the selected test type. I don't need to copy a pop-up or a comment. Enter in how many channels to copy the details to. Click Save and Next. It's now created all the same detail for the next 4 channels. Now you need to enter the circuit ID and the description. Once you've adjusted all the required fields, most importantly the circuit ID and your circuit description, you can save and close. You can now see that the first 5 channels are white and no longer grey, showing they are configured. Click on the row and you can see more detail. If you need to edit a channel, you can go to the Edit button. Once happy with configuration, select the back arrow to return to the switchboard and modules. You can now see that the master has had 5 channels configured. We have not programmed anything on the channel board as yet.